Hello, I'm Mike Esker and welcome to This Old Geek. In this video I thought I would do a basic tutorial for those of you who are new to my channel and are interested in doing paper mache sculpture. I'm going right to the basics. This is paper mache 101 and starting out with how to make paper mache paste. Not the clay, but the paste. It's like the simplest thing in the world you're going to do. Now I recall doing this back in grade school. I don't know if they still do that in school, teach kids that. I don't believe my kids ever did because I don't recall them showing me any paper mache projects they did at school. And my grandkids are just starting school, so I don't really know. But anyway, it's very easy. All you need to start with is flour. Now it has to be all-purpose flour, and you can use the cheapest brand. It doesn't matter. The cheapest brand is probably the best. Now I'm not concerned about exact measurements because I'm going to just add the water till I get the consistency that I want. Now we're looking something about the consistency of oatmeal or pea soup. I don't know how many of you are familiar with pea soup. I'm old, so I know what pea soup is. So anyway, we'll just pour this in and mix it. And you know, you can use a spoon or your hand, it doesn't matter. So we just mix that up. Now the great thing about paper mache is if you aspire to be a sculptor, it is, if you don't have a whole lot of money, it is the cheapest thing you could do to make sculptures. And you could, you make an armature if you're going to do a character or something. You can use anything for an armature, cardboard, aluminum foil, wood, chicken wire, armature wire, cardboard tubes, anything. And you just build up your character and you do paper mache on top of that. So that's about what I want right there. It's not real watery and it's not too thick. It's just right. So it's just the right consistency to dip your strips of newspaper in there, or sometimes people use paper towels. Whatever works for you. But the best thing that I like is, of course, newspaper. So there you go. Now, if you don't use it all, you can cover it and then put it in the fridge, and I'll keep it for maybe 2 to 3 days in the fridge. Some people will put salt in there to help preserve it, but you don't, I guess as a preservative, you don't need to do that. Just cover it, put it in the fridge. You don't want to let it sit out overnight in room temperature because it'll get real nasty and start smelling. Put it in the fridge, and when you're ready to use it again, take it out. Now there's going to be settling. The flour is a bit heavier than the water, so you're going to have some of the flour mixture down at the bottom and some liquid or water on the surface. So you want to stir it up, and also before you start getting your hands in there and dipping your paper in there, you want to let it warm up to room temperature because it's very cold. It gets very cold when it's in the fridge. So there you go. And that's it. Now I'm going to do some other tutorials where I'm going to start just doing whole projects by scratch, going step by step. And I'm going to try to do some Halloween ones since Halloween is getting pretty close. I should have started it sooner, but I've been busy with other things. So thanks for watching and have a great day. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will have more videos coming. Thank you. Have a great day.